Welcome to Out of the Blue. I'm Andrew Oppmann. The Jones College of Business at MTSU now features an undergraduate concentration in neuromarketing and AI. It combines cutting-edge AI software with neuroscience tools, including a full laboratory that lets students study and gauge responses to advertising, messaging, and much more. Here to tell us all about it is Gaia Ramkani, the Assistant Professor of Marketing and Neuromarketing. Gaia, welcome to the program.
Thank you.
We're so glad to have you here, particularly on the heels of your great and successful conference on AI and marketing. We'll talk about that in a bit, but let's really start at the beginning. For our viewers and listeners, describe what is neuromarketing.
Neuromarketing is a set of research tools. So in marketing, you can analyze everything, product, distribution channels, website, and so forth, using traditional tools like survey and questionnaires. But you can also use new tools that are working with the unconscious. So neuromarketing measures the unconscious responses to marketing stimuli. And when we talk about neuromarketing, we talk about neuromeasure like electroencephalogram, or physiological measures like galvanic skin response, heart rate variability, reaction time test, and eye tracking, where the gaze goes.
Wow. And now, at MTSU, and we'll be talking about this a lot because of your laboratory and everything, you're really combining also some of the new technology of AI in your study of neuromarketing. Can you talk about that for a little bit?
Absolutely. So AI is at the core of the Neuromarketing and AI Lab. We study AI in retail with physical robots, in e-commerce with voice assistant, and also in virtual reality with avatar. And very recently, we are also studying AI-made advertising. And we measure the responses of the participant through neurotools. So this is what we do. So we combine literally neuromarketing, neurotools with the most recent advancement of AI.
Why has the Jones College, I think it's an obvious question and an obvious answer, but why is the Jones College investing in this study, and why is it so important that we do so?
We want to prepare students. And differently than other colleges that are working on the master level or PhD level, we want to prepare the student at the undergraduate level. We really believe that AI will become a commodity in the next year, and everybody will be able to use tools like ChatGPT or Perplexity and so forth. So we want to provide the student a competitive advantage. We want them to be able to combine neuromarketing and AI. In this way, we are able to provide them more chances to be successful in the market. So people in the Department of Marketing will be able to work in new jobs that will come out, like, for example, user experience designer that is able to combine AI and neurotool, product managers that are able to understand the new marketing research with AI, AI analysts, new consumer behavior specialists. So our goal is to be ahead. So in a red ocean where people are competing with each other, we want to build a blue ocean because we are true blue where we lead.
Oh, you know me so well. Thanks for saying that. I'd love for you to talk a little bit more in depth about the Neuromarketing Lab in the Jones College. Just describe it for our viewers and listeners. What does it look like? What are students actually doing there, and what are you doing there?
Because we are true blue and we want to open a blue ocean, the lab wants to be the leader of the lab in the south of the United States. So this is our vision. The lab is composed by 3 rooms, and in the first room, in the central room, we monitor what the participants are doing, and of 2 rooms. One room, the other room is all pure neuromarketing. So we have 3 stations they are fully equipped. We have an EEG, electroencephalogram, and then we have the neurophysiological tools like galvanic skin response, heart rate, reaction time test, eye tracking, and so forth. 2 stations are for the research on e-commerce website, but the 3rd station is equipped for virtual reality, because virtual reality, metaverse are becoming a big thing, and actually we have there 2 Oculus in order to work on that. The 3rd station, the 3rd room is for traditional research, like a survey, questionnaire, and so forth. So we want to combine the traditional tools, again, survey and questionnaire, with the neuro tools. In this way, we have a complete and holistic view of the responses of the participant.
And as I understand, you've got the attention of Google that
Yes.
coming to
Yes.
your lab to see what you're doing, right?
Yes, we will have the product manager of Google Gemini that is coming in fall. And also we got the attention of the Galleria degli Uffizi in Florence, because we built for them the entire museum in virtual reality.
Before you go, I want you to touch on the conference you had earlier in the year. A lot of international participants. I know we had people watching over the internet from around the world. Talk about how exciting it was to bring all of those renowned speakers to campus and study AI and neural marketing.
It was great. So we invited 6 speakers. The first speaker was Paul Zak, that is a very important neuroeconomist around the world. And for me, it was kind of an emotional moment, because also he's my mentor. And I learned how to use neuro tools in his lab. So moving ahead and showing what we were able to do at MTSU was a big thing. And the event was a big moment to solidify the relationship that we have with our partners. So for us, it was a moment to meet friends and collaboration, to invite them, to welcome them to our college, and to build up new collaboration. And it's true, new collaboration are coming because of this. The students were particularly excited. I was very surprised to see that prospect student decided to come to MTSU because they saw the event.
Oh, that's fantastic.
That was great.
All right, so where can people go on the web to find out more?
They can go to jones.mtsu.edu, and they will find all the information about the lab. There is a space that is dedicated about what we are doing and how to contact us.
Professor, this is so exciting. Your enthusiasm is contagious. It's so neat. Congratulations on the launch of this lab, and thanks for all that you do for the university.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
Of course.